All righty then, happy Sunday everybody. Yes, quite a big update. We're officially in. Yes, it's been a very, very long weekend, very productive. Haven't destroyed my body, which is, well, any more than it normally is destroyed. But we've got everything in. So all the pallet racking is in. Obviously, we haven't organised yet, so that has to come this week. But 10 sections of 2.2 metre pallet racking, not filled to the brim. It's just temporary storage until I sort it all out. But it's fantastic for the first time ever to have everything laid out in basically logical format so I can find things. Obviously, we've got to put things away like that. Stuff on the wall, etc., etc. So that's going to come over the next few weeks. I imagine sort of towards the end of the month, beginning of the next month, we will be organised. Everything will be labelled and catalogued. So it's very exciting, very, very exciting indeed. It's been long hours, long days, quite heavy lifting, but the result sort of speaks for itself. We have a really, really well laid out shop. So this is the longer term projects that are sitting right here. As you know, I described those in the last video. These are the short term projects. So that's a 77 Kawasaki Z1000 A1. That's waiting to go out the door after a little bit of service work. Honda CB750 K2 under there. So those are the next two out of the shop. And thankfully, we have a nice dedicated space here. So this lift, obviously, the Z1000 will go on there. We'll go through, get it all sorted, and it goes off down to Central Coast Performance for its final check and e-safety, roadworthy, whatever you want to call it. Same thing with the Honda, so that's all going to come together. And then really, it's just a question of organising things into logical lumps. So for the moment, sort of tools, work area, well lit, safe, things like that. That trolley, the plan is to turn that into a mobile workstation with a cord. So we have the monitor down there. There'll be a PC bolted to the side, keyboard and mouse, so that we can roll it to and from bikes on a long extension cord, and sort of have schematics and diagrams and what have you, rather than using the books, which are hiding down there. We'll preserve those for posterity. But yeah, really, really happy. Like I say, it's been basically a week. It's the week moving, and about 6 weeks now since I got the keys. So in that time, I think we've accomplished an enormous amount. I mean, the physical move notwithstanding, but just getting stuff correct. So the electrics, the plumbing, the painting, powered by my lovely wife, interior decor, decorations, making the place look nice and inviting for potential customers or existing customers. This is still glue drying on the floor. Vacuum cleaner is waiting there. I'll be tackling that this week as well. Get a sofa in here, make it look very livable, put a coffee machine in, all those sorts of things. So all of that to come. Thank you for all the encouraging words too. I've had some really, really nice comments from customers, followers of the channel, people on Instagram and YouTube. So yeah, appreciate the fact that these videos are making you happy and generating enough interest that you leave comments. So please do more of that. Anyway, it's been a long 6 days. Physically, I'm down to 90 kilos again. So if you want to lose weight, folks, this is the way to do it. Just move a ton of police bikes. I'll have plenty more updates during the week. As I say, we're going to be sorting all of this. There's more updates coming for the shop. The old workspace is gone. Well, it's up for rent now. So if you're interested, 125 square meters available as of tomorrow. So you can move straight in, and that's a 75 downstairs with a 50 upstairs mezzanine. So get in touch. Otherwise, have a fantastic rest of your weekend. I will be in touch via video during the week, and I'll catch you in the next video. See you, everyone.